What's up, YouTube? I am in the garage again. Today we are making drift tires, but not for the Falcon. We're making it for my Arma, not sponsored by, but Adam LZ gets sponsored by. This is my Arma 3S Vorteks trophy truck. It's a basher. It will fuck up a Prius and a Mustang if you hit them just right. Allegedly, not like I would ever do anything like that and walk away from. So, these D boots got kind of bald, or were bald, and ballooning like no one's business. So I cut them, bought a 3-inch ABS connector. Here we go. Ground out the middle so this would fit through it. You cut the tire out and shove it through. Then you end up having this, drift tires. There we go. They're not pretty, but they're functional, and it only cost me $12 and some used tires. So this is my crazy, becoming expensive hobby, because it will nickel and dime you. Like this bar here. To make this bar that didn't come with this car, but comes with the other cars, and you figure this being a basher, you would want a little bit more support. Had to piece together. This is a different part number. The rubber bushing here is a different part number. These are a different part number. And the pins that hold it together and the through bolts, different part number. But yeah, drift car. Because the hobby shop by my house got drift cars and it looked cool. But I didn't have time to rent track time and use one of their drift cars, so I figured I'd make my own. So this is my, pretty much stock, minus the higher flow 30 mil fans. These things move some air, so took the 25 that was inside here, gutted it out, modded this to screw on top. Got this one, added the bar, changed the gearing, put some thicker oil in it. So the shocks were a little slower on the compression and rebound because they're not really valved, it's just a plunger. But yeah, I'm going to take this thing drifting. So that's my easy way of making drift tires, is take your old tires and putting some hard plastic over it and go from there. So let me finish this up and see if I can actually videotape this thing drifting. All right, here we go. Definitely it's hard to do both of this at once. Drift car. So there we go, people. Proof of concept. If you're bored, you got a Home Depot or Lowe's or any leftovers at your house, you can make shit to make your other toys more fun to play with. But until next time, peace out. Late.